Hi, I'm Rick with Hardtop, and today I'm going to walk you through the installation of the Sunrider for Hardtop on this JT Jeep Gladiator. It's going to take 30-45 minutes, and it's the same installation whether it's on the Jeep truck or the two-door Jeep Wrangler or four-door Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Let's go ahead and walk through all of the parts that are going to be included in the kit. We have the door rails, the rear clamp, tie-down straps, bezels, some Loctite and binding posts, 6 M8 by 20 screws, and 4 M8 by 80 screws. Let's go ahead and get started. After you've gotten familiar with the parts in the kit, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the freedom panels that come pre-installed with the vehicle from the factory. Check your owner's manual for those steps. It's pretty easy, should only take a few minutes, but after that, we're going to clean the seals on the windshield and at the rear where the Sunrider for Hardtop is going to mount onto the vehicle, and that's going to give you the best wind and water protection. Now that we have the vehicle ready, we're going to move to the pre-assembly of the door rails to the Sunrider for Hardtop assembly. Take some time on this, get familiar with the orientation. We have the Sunrider for Hardtop. It's been folded open and the fold is towards me. I'm standing kind of where the rear of the vehicle would be. You're going to attach the door rail. There is a left and a right door rail. There's some marking that will tell you which is which. Left is the driver's side, right is the passenger side. The clamp always goes towards the front of the vehicle. And here on the back, there's a notch with a hole. And that's where we're going to install the cable eyelet that keeps tension on the deck for the Sunrider for Hardtop. To complete that installation, find the cable eyelet that's already installed in the side of the assembly. Make sure you have the flat side facing away and install the post through that and then into the door rail. You'll secure that with the threaded fastener and a little bit of Loctite using the flat blade screwdriver. And once you've done that on the right side, go ahead and repeat the same steps on the left side. Find the cable, the flat side, which will go against the door rail. You put the post through, attach it in the hole, and then secure with the screw. Don't forget the Loctite. After installing the cables onto the door rail, we're going to attach the door rail to the main Sunrider assembly. Easiest way to do that is probably roll it back a little bit so that you can see the underside here. There are 2 posts that are going to attach in 2 locator holes, and then there'll be 2 screws that secure it to the assembly. Locate those pins, and then you can hand thread the screws in. To start, these are the M8 by 20 short screws, and then secure with a T40 Torx. Once you've got that done on this side, repeat those same steps for the other. Once you've completed that installation step, go ahead and check to make sure that the cable looks secure and that everything is aligned neatly at the back. We're going to do the same steps on the driver's side. Make sure you locate the pins. Then you can start the screws. And then check down here, make sure everything is aligned. After we've assembled the door rails to the Sunrider for Hardtop, we're going to go ahead and present this onto the vehicle. I recommend you have 2 people for this. One person could do it, but I really recommend you have 2. So my friend Jake has come in to help me out in the shop. Okay, as you're locating it, make sure this front clamp is on the outside of the sport bar. It's going to wrap underneath. There are 2 posts on the clamp and one on the rear halo that'll fit into holes that are on the top of the sport bar. And then check that the seal is not pinched or folded when you're putting everything into position. Now that we have it positioned on the vehicle, we're going to secure the door rails to the sport bar with the 2 long M8 screws. You'll use a Torx 40 bit for that, and the bezel gets used on the screw in the back. After you've got this side done, go ahead and repeat those steps on the other side. Okay, going to the back. Going to the rear. Now that we have the door rails secured to the vehicle, we're going to install the rear clamp. It's got 2 legs on the bottom and 1 on the top that just secure right in the center with 2 of the short M8 screws. If you have trouble getting the rear clamp in position, you might try pulling down on the rear halo as you're installing it. Now that we've got the Sunrider for Hardtop secured on the vehicle, to close the roof, reach back with one hand and rotate to the front. The latches you can do with one hand, press on the center hook, and rotate up to engage. Sunrider for Hardtop comes with some optional tie-down straps. You can use these to secure the top in the open position if you're going to be out on the trail doing any aggressive moves, but it's not required for driving around town or out on the highway. The Sunrider for Hardtop is all about convenience. Come to a stop, and you're able to enjoy a beautiful day. Same thing, maybe the rain starts coming in, pull to a stop, close the door, close the roof, and you're ready for the road. Thanks for joining me today for the installation of the Sunrider for Hardtop on the JT or any JL Wrangler. If you have questions, please don't hesitate. You can reach our customer service people at besttop.com or at our 1-800 number, Monday through Friday, 8 to 4 Mountain. Thanks, and we'll see you out on the trail.